Did you know that the world's wealthiest people follow a strikingly similar path to build their empires, and Elon Musk is no exception? Musk himself once said, "When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor." Today, we'll uncover how Elon Musk became the richest man on Earth by mastering revolutionary wealth-building strategies. Still skeptical? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll learn actionable steps to apply Musk's principles to your own financial journey. Welcome to Finance for Earn. If you dream of building generational wealth, hit that subscribe button now. Elon Musk's story starts far from the glamorous boardrooms of Silicon Valley. Born in South Africa, Musk was a bookworm who devoured everything from encyclopedias to science fiction. At just 12 years old, he coded and sold his first video game for $500. This early entrepreneurial spark hinted at his future success. But Musk's ambitions stretched beyond South Africa. With dreams of creating a global impact, he moved to North America, earning degrees in physics and economics at the University of Pennsylvania. By 1995, he dropped out of a PhD program at Stanford after just 2 days to chase the opportunities offered by the booming internet industry. Having delved deeper into Elon Musk's biography, I discovered that his financial success boils down to just a handful of crucial money management skills. While you're hitting the thumbs up on this video, I'll unveil the core of these skills for you. Number 1. Recognize and seize opportunities. Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey began with Zip2, a company he co-founded with his brother Kimball Musk. The software offered city guides and business directories to newspapers, positioning itself as a pioneer in the early days of the internet. Musk's dedication was unmatched. He often slept in the office and poured all his energy into ensuring the company's success. His efforts paid off when Zip2 was sold to Compaq for $307 million in 1999, earning Musk $22 million. Rather than rest on his laurels, Musk reinvested much of his earnings into his next venture, X.com, an online payment platform. Musk's vision for digital payments was ahead of its time, and X.com later evolved into PayPal after a merger. PayPal disrupted traditional banking systems and became a household name in online payments. When eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 for $1.5 billion in stock, Musk's 11.7% stake earned him $180 million. These two early successes not only made Musk financially independent, but also demonstrated his ability to identify emerging trends and take calculated risk traits that would define his future endeavors in Tesla, SpaceX, and beyond. Lesson: use every success as a springboard for your next venture. Look for growing industries, just as Musk recognized the internet's transformative potential. Number 2. Take risks with calculated boldness. After selling PayPal, Musk faced a decision: retire comfortably or take risks in industries that could change humanity. He chose the latter, diving into electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy. In 2004, Musk joined Tesla Motors as a major investor and later took over as CEO. At the same time, he founded SpaceX, aiming to make space travel affordable. Both companies teetered on the edge of bankruptcy in their early years. In 2008, Musk was so financially strained he had to choose between funding Tesla or SpaceX. He gambled on both, and it paid off. Lesson: risk is unavoidable, but success comes when you evaluate and commit to high-reward opportunities. Number 3. Innovate relentlessly. Musk's wealth isn't just about working hard, it's about thinking differently. Tesla didn't just build electric cars, they revolutionized the automotive industry with sleek designs, long-range batteries, and self-driving capabilities. Similarly, SpaceX developed reusable rockets, cutting the cost of space exploration dramatically. Musk's The Boring Company and Neuralink are tackling futuristic challenges like traffic congestion and brain-computer interfaces. Lesson: find gaps in existing industries and disrupt them with innovative solutions. Don't just follow trends, set them. Action Point 4. Financial resilience and vision. In his early years, Elon Musk embodied a frugal and disciplined lifestyle, often surviving on less than $2 a day for food while pursuing his goals. This minimalist approach allowed him to focus his resources on building his future. Even as he achieved financial success through ventures like Zip2 and PayPal, Musk demonstrated remarkable commitment to his vision by reinvesting nearly all his wealth into new companies, such as Tesla and SpaceX. At one point, Musk's financial risk-taking became so extreme that he had to borrow money for living expenses. Yet, his willingness to put everything on the line reflects his unwavering belief in his long-term vision. For Tesla, this meant advancing sustainability through electric vehicles and clean energy solutions. For SpaceX, it meant working toward the audacious goal of making humanity a multiplanetary species by colonizing Mars. Unlike many entrepreneurs who prioritize short-term profits or investor expectations, Musk consistently plays the long game. His focus on transformative, decades-long objectives has not only revolutionized industries but has also inspired millions to think bigger and aim higher. Lesson: financial discipline and a clear long-term vision are essential for building lasting wealth. Action Point 5. Build a reputation of integrity and reliability. Elon Musk's unparalleled ability to draw investors and top talent is rooted in one critical factor: his consistent delivery on ambitious promises. Over the years, Musk has turned bold visions into tangible results, transforming industries and creating massive value in the process. Musk's career is filled with examples of delivering on what once seemed impossible. SpaceX's groundbreaking achievement of landing and reusing rockets revolutionized the space industry. This wasn't just a cost-saving innovation, it was a demonstration of Musk's ability to achieve the impossible. Investors and engineers were drawn to SpaceX because they saw Musk execute his vision with precision and determination. Before Tesla, electric vehicles were considered niche products with limited appeal. Musk not only made EVs desirable but positioned Tesla as a leader in the automotive industry, outperforming giants like Toyota and Ford in market valuation. Even projects still in development, like the Hyperloop and Neuralink, showcase Musk's ability to rally support around audacious ideas. He attracts the brightest minds because they believe in his ability to turn dreams into reality. Lesson: your word and your track record are as valuable as your financial resources. Honor your commitments and aim for excellence in every project. 6. Work relentlessly. Elon Musk's work ethic is legendary, often described as one of the key drivers of his success. He once said, "Nobody ever changed the world on 40 hours a week." For Musk, work isn't just a job, it's a mission. He frequently works 80 to 100 hours per week across his multiple companies, ensuring that every project moves forward at an aggressive pace. But working relentlessly doesn't just mean putting in long hours. It's about optimizing those hours for maximum impact. Musk divides his time meticulously between tasks, ensuring that he focuses on what's most important. For example, he schedules his day in 5-minute blocks, allowing him to manage his time with unparalleled efficiency. Musk ensures that his time is spent on activities that directly contribute to his company's goals. For instance, at Tesla, he might focus on engineering breakthroughs or resolving production bottlenecks rather than administrative tasks. Takeaway: identify the high-impact tasks in your own work. Dedicate the majority of your time to activities that directly contribute to your goals. Elon Musk's journey teaches us that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about creating value, solving big problems, and reinvesting in a brighter future. His success can be traced to a few key principles: recognizing opportunities early, taking calculated risks, innovating relentlessly, maintaining financial resilience and vision, building a trustworthy reputation, working relentlessly. By adopting these principles, you can unlock your potential and start your journey toward financial freedom.